In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track orders in Wix. As a business owner, staying updated with your orders and ensuring a seamless process for both you and your customers is crucial. So let's dive in and get started with setting up a tracking system on your Wix website. First, head over to Wix.com, known for its intuitive website building tools. Once you've navigated to the site, log into your account. If you're not logged in already, you'll find an option at the top right corner of the page to log in. With your credentials ready, proceed by clicking on the Login button, which will bring you directly to the dashboard displaying your websites. After successfully logging in, locate and click the Select Site button from your dashboard. This option allows you to choose the particular website where you wish to integrate the order tracking function. If you manage multiple sites, ensure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've got your chosen site, you're ready to explore its dashboard. From the site's dashboard, you will need to find and click on the Apps section. This section is your gateway to various functionalities you can add to your website. It's like your site's toolbox, equipping you with tools necessary to enhance its functionality. In the Apps area, you'll see an option labeled App Market. Click on it. The App Market is essentially a hub where you can browse or search for different applications that can be added to your site to improve its capabilities and ensure an outstanding user experience. Next, direct your attention to the search box located within the App Market. Type Tracking Page into the search field and execute the search. After you complete the search, you'll notice various options appear. Just scroll through the results, and you should find an app called Tracking Page. This is the one you're looking for. Click on it to learn more about its features and benefits. Once you are on the Tracking Page app details, the next step is to add it to your site. You'll find a button that says Add to Site. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating the tracking capabilities into your site. It's a straightforward process, providing the necessary tools to offer your customers insight into their orders. Before the app is fully integrated, you'll be prompted to agree to certain terms and conditions. This is quite standard, so take a moment to read through these terms. If you're comfortable with them, go ahead and click on Agree and Add. This action will complete the installation, and your site's backend will now include a new feature, the Order Tracking System. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully set up an order tracking system in your Wix website. This will not only enhance your operational efficiency, but also significantly improve your customers' experience by keeping them informed at every step of their order journey. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tutorials to optimize your Wix website even further.